In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to restore WhatsApp messages in your Android. So restoring WhatsApp messages on Android depends on whether you back them up before deletion or not. So the first thing you can do is restore from Google Drive backup. I'm using an iOS device right now, but this is very similar to Android, so I'm just going to help you with suggestions. So the first thing to do is to check your last backup. Just go ahead and open WhatsApp, tap on settings right over here. Once you're in settings, you need to find chats right below privacy. Just go ahead and open your chat and now tap on chat backup. It's right there. So if it says that your last backup was really far back, just tap on backup now and make sure you've backed up everything. And make sure you check your last backup on Google Drive as well and just uninstall the app. So it's pretty similar with what you did with iOS. Just long press it and delete the app and reinstall it again and verify your phone number when prompted, and the WhatsApp will detect the Google Drive backup and you will automatically be given the option to restore. So in this way, you can successfully restore WhatsApp messages in your Android device. It's pretty similar to the video we did with iPhone. So there you go, that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.